Gukinyiria riu thirikari ni igathikite motungata 14,000 na gicunji kia 100% mutambo-ini wa Ecitizen na motungata mangi 2,000 no marathie na mbere kugathikwo mutambo-ini ucio amu thirikari irongoreirie kugathika motungata makiria ma 20,000 niguo gukinyaniria watho wa mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto uria uheanite muthia wa kugathika motungata mothe ma thirikari mutambo-ini ucio kugikinyiria tariki 31 Dithemba ya mwaka uyu kuringana na ndumiriri ya Wandiki wa Ruhongeini wa Ministri cia Thirikari Macio Wanjau.
As we speak today, we are upwards of 14,000 services. Why have these services been developed? This is pursuant to the commitment of this administration to enhance service delivery to Kenyans. You are now able, from wherever you are, to procure government services and obtain them within a timeline that is already prescribed.
Akiaria thutha wa Mucemanio na Andiki Akaru, Arugamiriri hamwe na Aikariri te ya Mbudi 17 cia honge citiganite cia thirikari. Oho Macio Wanjau ni atariirie ati kuona kambuni ya hinya wa thitima ya Kenya Power ni imwe ya kambuni cia thirikari. Riu ni manyitanire na kambuni iyo gutigirira ati ni mathondeka mutambo uria urihotithagia muingi wa Kenya kugura na kuriha hinya wa thitima kuhitukira mutambo wa Ecitizen na uria urihuthiraga namba ya marihi ya paybill ya 222222.
There are quite a number of services we had at the beginning exempted, including some services provided by KRA, some services provided by KEBS, some services provided by KPA, some services provided by Kenya Power, including applications. We had exempted it because of the complications that really come with onboarding of those services.
Mubango ucio wirigirirwo kuhuthira kigina gia ciringi milioni 70 nginyagia ciringi milioni 200 no indi thina munene uria ukoretwo ukigomera gukinyanira kwa mubango ucio ni kugathikirwo kigina kiu ni thirikari.
Today it was a date with them so that we can be able to engage and be able to agree on a roadmap towards onboarding of these services.
Riu thirikari ni uritie muingi kuhimbiria mubango ucio niguo gutwara bururi kinyaini ringi ria ukinyaniria wa kiriu na makiria muingi ukiurio kuheana mawoni mao hamwe na motungata maria mangienda magathikwo mutambo-ini ucio.
This remains a work in progress and we continue to encourage feedback from the users so that we can improve the delivery of services. We can cater for any unique circumstances that may exist in the course of delivery of certain kind of services, and ultimately that we may be able to achieve revenue enhancement and transparency on this platform.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Chege wa Wanjohi.